सो मेरे पास ये 2 किताबें हैं, हर्ब्स फॉर हेल्थ और ये हर्ब्स दैट हील। तो इसमें से मैं जिंजर का पढ़ूंगी, जिंजर। और बाकी मैं ये दिखा देती हूँ, नेचर टाइमलेस वंडर, एसेंशियल न्यूट्रिशनल रिक्वायरमेंट्स, बेनिफिट ऑफ स्प्रिंग वैली लिक्विड हर्बल एक्सट्रैक्ट्स। These extracts are in highly concentrated liquid form and made from finest earth, easy to use, and you can simply take the drops directly for maximum absorption or add them to fruit juice or favorite beverage। एक बार मैंने भी सोचा था एक ऐसी कंपनी में को ज्वाइन कर रही थी, लेकिन ये तो मैं फ्री की कर रही हूँ, इसकी तो मैंने कंपनी ज्वाइन नहीं करी थी। मैं जिंजर का पढ़ूंगी, जिंजर क्यों ज़रूरी है, जिंजर। जिंजर, जिंजर मतलब अदरक। और ये कॉफ़ी में डालता है, शिशोरी। इट इज़ a perennial herb with low tap root. It is condensed round stem, numerous light or dark green leaves and pale blue flower. The leaf have bitter taste. Flowers open at sunrise and close. It is native to Mediterranean region or possibly Eastern Asia. It is known to ancient Greeks. Classical writers like Horace, Virgil, Ovid, and Pliny mentioned it is used as vegetable and salad ingredient, which mean to run under because of deep roots. Analysis of chichori or endive leaves show them to consist. Chichori flower contain a glucoside, chichorin, and bitter substances, healing power and curative properties. Side effects: it contains food elements which are constantly needed by the optic system. It is one of the richest source of which is vitamin A, which is very useful for eyes. The addition of juices of carrot, celery, and parsley to chisori juice makes it highly nourishing food for optic nerve and muscular system. It can bring amazing results in correcting eye defects. वाओ, मुझे तो पता ही नहीं था, मैं भी करूँगी ये तो। Constipation, anemia, half a liter to 1 liter daily. A combination has frequently corrected eye troubles. Respiratory disorders. The combined juices of chichori, carrot, and celery are most helpful when asthma and hay fever. Provided milk and foods containing concentrated starches and sugars such as white rice, white flours, macaroni, sweet pastries, and cakes are eliminated from diet. Powder of dry root in dose of high half a teaspoon mixed with honey if taken thrice daily is a good expectorant in chronic bronchitis, obstructed menstruation. The young leaves, preferably the blanched, are eaten in salads. They may be mixed with other greens to minimize their strong flavor. The mature green leaves are sometimes used as cooked vegetable and the root when roasted and ground is। शायद मैंने इसको खाया है, आसाम में गई थी ना जब मैं, तब मैंने खाया था इसको। उसके बाद ये सिनेमम इलायची होती है। मैं जिंजर का पढ़ना चाहती थी, जिंजर किधर है? ये रहा। हाँ, लौंग है, लौंग है। जीरा, फेनुग्रीक मेथी, हीना मेहंदी, जिंजर की मैंने पोस्ट डाली हुई है। तुलसी का भर देती हूँ, ये बहुत अच्छा होता है। The holy basil is many branched, erect, stout, and aromatic herb. It grows up to the height of 75 centimeters and is hairy all over. The plant has tender egg-shaped leaves, usually up to 2.5 centimeter in length, small purplish or reddish flowers in small compact clusters on slender spikes and small fruits and yellowish and reddish seeds. It has been known from an early, यहाँ पे लिखा हुआ है ना लॉर्ड विष्णु. This herb is known from early as the Vedic period in regard to earthly menstruation of goddess Vrinda, who is dear to Lord Vishnu, of healing power and curative properties. इसका मैं पूरा कागज डाल देती हूँ मेरी पोस्ट में.